then only you will know, because parents may not know this method, then they will be confused. So rounding off, you have to listen carefully. You don't expect parents to listen to you, okay? They will, I don't know how many of them know, but still you have to attend the class. Okay, children? Now we'll just start our class right now. All of you turn on your camera. Dhruv, where is your camera? Entire period, and you must be seated. Only 30 minutes you're having. After 30 minutes, you can go for a break and come for the next class. Yes, Sachin, Dhruv, Puneet. Okay. Puneet, I will just explain to you about face value on Monday when all are there. Okay. Okay, Puneet. Okay, now we'll go back to class now. Now just turn off your microphone. In between those who are coming, they will just disturb us asking which page number, which page number. I don't know how to explain to them again, but still we'll just see. Today, nothing you're going to do. Don't see anything, because if you see the textbook, you'll be confused. Just look at the screen. Now, we are going to see about rounding off. Rounding off, that is the heading. How to round the number. I will explain to you. Just look at the screen now. From 10 to 20 numbers are written. Middle number is...
Ma'am?
See right page number.
Ma'am?
Yes, tell me. Yes. Yes, who call me? Mukil M. Where is Mukil? When you call me, you have to be on the screen. I want to know for what you call me, Mukil. Mukil M. Because unless Mukil M turn on, I just want you to turn on your camera. Then only I will continue the class, because already you disturbed me calling ma'am, ma'am, and I just came to you. See you, your camera is not on. Mukil M, turn on your camera and speak to me. The continuity of the class is going, and parents, please take care of them. In between, after 9:45, those who are joining, don't disturb the class. Now, please look at the screen, nothing else. At least listen in between. I'll be telling, look at the screen, look at the screen. You don't see your textbook.
Ma'am?
Yes, who's this?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm John Matthew Thomas, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, should we write anything?
Matthew, you know, John, you know that you're not supposed to talk when I'm taking class, and nothing to write. I didn't tell you. You have to join the class on time, then nothing, no questions like this. See, now the second child is disturbing the whole class. You must be there by 9:45. You just look at the screen. Now, if I talk to all 70 children like this, I don't know when only I will take the class. You just watch, then you will know. Nothing to, you're going to write this? No, there's nothing to write. Write means it will be written classwork. Again, somebody will ask me now. Now, children, look at the number line over here. First of all, you listen what ma'am is telling. Okay, John? Now, nothing to open. Don't open anything. Just look at the screen. You have numbers from 10 to 20. In the middle, you have 15. Observe the numbers 13 and 17 on the number line. I just want you to see 13. And you have to see whether 13 is closer to 10 or 20. Okay. Now, Naren, are you there, Naren? Naren? Present?
Yes, ma'am.
Present. Can you tell me whether 13 is closer to 10 or closer to 20?
Closer to 10, ma'am.
10. Now you have to keep in your mind. Just look at the number line. If the given number is closer to the previous number or the next number, so 13 is closer to 10. So round of 13 means you have to write 10. I'll show you later. Thank you, Prajan. Now, Sanjay Krishna. Sanjay.
Yes,
Now tell me whether 17 is 17 closer to 20 or closer to 10. Far away or closer. 17
closer
is
to 20, ma'am.
20. Now children, there is a rule. 13, just look at the screen and look at the statement. Observe the numbers 13 and 17 on the number line. 13 is nearer to 10. So we round down 13 to 10. We'll write the previous number 10. Or rounding means you have to come back to 10, 20, 30, 40. Excuse me. Now, 17, you just have a look at 17. 17 is nearer to 20. So we round up 17 to 20. Okay, now you keep a deadline like if the number is before 15, that is 10 to 14, 20 to 24, like that. Now, you have to write the previous number.
What is the page number?
No page number.
No page number, just look at the screen, please. I'm just explaining. You have to look at the screen. Now, if the number is 15 and 5 and above, not 15, 5 and above, that means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to go to the next number. That will be here 20. Now, I will explain to you. Those are, who's that now? Now, just look here. Look at the number line. Look at the number line. You have to look at the screen. Now, hereafter, those who are coming late, okay, coming late, I will just mark you absent because it's very hard. Don't tell me you didn't get link and all. Now, look at the number line below. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Observe the numbers. First, we will take 18. Look at the number 18. Now, Tridip, I'm going to ask you some questions you have to answer, okay? Observe the numbers clearly. Now, 18 is given. Can you round off this 18 and tell me the answer? Round off 18. Round off 18. Round, I just want you to know the meaning of round off. Rounding off. 18, I want you to round off 18 and write the number. That means what will you do? I'll explain to you if it's wrong. Tell me the number.
20.
20. 20. Did you say 20? Now please tell clearly, okay, children? 20. Very good. Very good. 20. Now, I want some other child. I will call Sai Vasavi. Please come fast on the screen. Sai Vasavi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sai Vasavi. Just see the number 24. Okay, 24. Just tell me, what should you do? I want you to round off 24. So should I do round down or round up? Down means below. Before 24, the whole number you tell me. Now tell me 24 is shown there. So you round down. You round down 24 to which number? Round down or round up is just putting with 0. Tell me 24 is given there. Just look at the number line. It's already done. 0 to 4. Which number will you take, Sai Vasavi? 0 to 4. Will you take 20 or will you take 30? It's not
30.
clear. No. Which one?
30.
No. Listen. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just see the second numbers in one's place there. 0, 1, 2. See here. I'll show you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the previous number you have to take. 20. Clear, Sai Vasavi?
Medical shop or department shop.
Okay.
You go.
Sai Vasavi, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me now 29. 29 is after 5. Only take the second number, second digit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which number will you write? 20 or 30?
20.
No, Sai Vasavi, you're not sure. Just I will ask some other child. Don't worry, I will explain to you. First time you are listening. Jeff, can you come? Jeff, can you come on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you just see here. Now just see here. 18. Take number 18. Tell me the nearest number. Rounding off. Tell me the nearest number of 18.
18 is nearer. 18 is nearer to 20.
Very good. Now tell me the number 24. Should I write 20 or 30?
20.
Very good. Now 29, you see 29. Is it closer to 30 or 20?
30.
Now, Jeff, good. Sai Vasavi, listen, okay. Now, once again, 0 to 4, you must take the previous round of number, round down. Now, look, observe, thank you, Jeff. Observe the numbers 18, 24, and 29. It's very easy. When you write down, this is explanation, it will be a little bit confusing. 18 is nearer to 20. See, when you go to some shop, they will, even especially in medical shop, you would not have seen, but they will just write round of number. If it is 27.8, you have to pay, they will tell it's 20, it will go to 30. Okay, I will explain to you. Now, I want one more child to explain to me. Sona, tell me whether it's clear to you, Sona.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me whether 18 is closer to 20 or 30? 18.
Ma'am.
Sona? 20 or 10, sorry. 20 or 10? 20. Why? Because 18, after 5, you must round up. Up means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to go to the next number, 20. Good. Now, Sona, tell me 24. Tell me 24. Whether it's nearer to 20 or 30. Think of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 20. Why? Sona, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to write the previous number. Now tell me, Sona, it's not shown there. 27. Round off 27 and tell me the number 27. Is it 20 or 30?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
it's near to 30.
Very good. Now, don't get worried. We are explaining. When you work out the sum, you will know. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Now, see here. You just read this. Now, if the ones digit is 4 or less, we round down. If the ones digit is 4 or less, we round down. That means the previous. Just look at the screen. 21, closer to 20. 23, closer to 20. 24, closer to 20. I want I want Taranish to read this. Taranish, please read. Taranish, are you there? You joined first and you are not there.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Taranish. Yes. Tell me. Rounding off. Read after me. Rounding off.
Rounding off.
If the ones digit is, look
Is
at
the-
the screen. If the
Is the
ones digit is,
ones digit is
digit is, that means the ones number. Under ones place, what number is there? 4 or less. 4 or less.
4 of left.
We round down. You just look at the numbers. Don't worry about the statement. Too small, no need to explain the statement. Okay. 21. What is the rounding of round down? What is the rounding of number for 21? Read the answer. 20. Just look at the screen and read. 21, 20.
21, 20.
23, 20.
20.
24, 20.
24, 20.
If it is 25, what will you write? 20 or 30? Look at the screen. If it's 25, if it is above 5, okay, you have to write 30. Okay, Karanish. Good, good. Now I want Sharan Pranav. Are you there, Sharan? Sharan? Sharan, please read this. Rounding off.
Rounding off.
If the ones digit,
If the one digit is 5 or more,
very good.
we round up.
Very good. 25 means you'll have to go to 30. Say 25. Tell me the answer. 30.
25,
30.
30,
27.
27,
30.
30,
29.
29,
30.
30.
Now 1 minute. 1 minute. Rounding off means you must not write 1, 2, 3. You have to write the numbers ending with 0. Now tell me, if it is 22, what will you write? 20 or 30? Rounding off. If it's 22,
30,
no. Only 5 and above you will get 30. 1 to 4, you have to write 20. Here. Again, I'll show you. Okay, now. Please take out the exercise in your textbook. Take out the exercises in your textbook. Page number, 1 minute. My book is not. Cyrus, take out the rounding off and tell me the page number. Book is up. 62. Take out 62 page number. Everybody. Page number 62.
Mom, I took geometry.
Juansri, if you take, no need to say Juansri because all will tell, okay? Never mind. Now take out page number 62, everybody. That's all. Get ready. Now after exercise 7, write today's date. Now, Sanjit R, what is today's date? Sanjit, tell me today's date. I want to know whether these children are present. Sanjit?
Ma'am, gone to restroom, ma'am.
1 minute. What happened? Gone to restroom. Okay.
Ma'am, gone to restroom.
Okay. Sri Mukilan, somebody told me 9. Okay. Just write 9-10. That's all. Exercise 7. After that, write 9-10. Okay, now. Just look at the numbers. Please underline the first one, 2. I did not do it because just now I was thinking it's better if you underline. Just underline 62 only, right? Underline 2. Underline or circle 2 in your textbook. Underline 2. You should have done that. It's okay. Underline 2. Okay. Now I'm going to call one person. Adonia, are you there, Adonia? Adonia. You don't get scared when ma'am calls you. Ma'am wants you to understand. Adonia, are you there? Yes, you are there. Akshara. Akshara. Akshara.
Akshara, ma'am.
Akshara. Did you underline? Did you underline 2? Did you underline 2 for 62?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, tell me the rounding off. That is, which number I have to write up when 62 is given. If it's 2, what is the number? Rounding off number. Okay. 62. Can you tell me? Akshara doesn't. I will call Mitra.
Akshara, ma'am.
Akshara, when I ask you something, you have to think and tell me. Okay, Mitra, wait. Akshara, tell me.
Ma'am.
Who's this now going on talking this and that? Akshara, tell me whether 62. Rounding off number, tell me the number for 62. Sundi.
61.5.
61, you saw. 62. 62, go see. 62. No, it's wrong. Mitra, please tell me. When you write rounding off number, you have to write only with 0. Whether it is 60 or 70. You see the number clearly. Mitra, tell me the number.
60, ma'am.
Very good. 60. Yeah, that must be Korea. 60, 62, 60, 60, 60. Okay, children, 60. Now, next child is Effie. Effie. See number 2, Effie. You don't get worried about if you don't know, I will see. 88. 88, Sophie. 88. Look, keep in your mind, underline 8. Ones place 8, underline. Underline. Now tell me the rounding of figure. Rounding of figure for 80, 88.
Ma'am, 80, ma'am.
No, Effie, you also did not understand. If the ones place number is 1 to 4, you have to write 80. If the ones place number is 5 to 9, you have to write 90. Next number. Okay, Faye. Now others.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want Getsia. Getsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is 17. Underline 7. All the ones place number you underline, children. Ones place number underline 7. All the sums. Now 7. Now tell me, Getsia, rounding off number for 17. Rounding off.
20, ma'am.
Yes. 20. Rounding off number is 20. Now, number 4. Yes, Getsia, good. Evelyn, Zara. Did you
Thank you, ma'am.
understand? Because it's above 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to go to the next number. Evelyn, take 4. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
54. Underline 4. Underline 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Underline 4.
Putra. Guys, क्या sound?
Excuse me. Excuse me, children, 1 minute. What problem there? What is the problem, Evelyn? I don't want anybody to sit and chat or play. 54, Evelyn, Sarah, please answer me. 54. Evelyn, now underline 4. I'm seeing you.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, turn off your mic. Yes, Evelyn. Underline 4. 54 is closer to which number? Round off figure. Evelyn, answer phone. Disturbance. Okay, Arush, please tell me. Evelyn, just turn off your mic. Nobody's listening. That's the problem. Now, Arush, Misty, turn off your mic, Misty. Arush, these children are all sitting and playing there. All. Arush, please tell me 54. Round of 54 and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I'm gonna see. I can see Arush Putra, but he's muted.
You don't talk, you don't see. We are seeing. You don't say anything, okay, about others. You just listen to class. That's all. Now, I want Jemima. Jemima, you don't talk about other children, please. Jemima.
Yes, ma'am.
54, Jemima, underline 4. Please round off 54. Should I write 50 or 60?
50, ma'am.
Tell me once again, Jemima.
50.
50. I'm not clear. Okay. Because it's 50. Because it's below 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Go, Jemima. Now I want Fatima to tell me 79. Underline 9. Children, those who are not answering, when I call, I don't know what to do. I'm just trying to help you. 79. 79. Underline 9. I want Fatima to tell me 79 is closer to 80 or 70. Fatima. Jake. Those who are not answering are not going to get any mark. Jake, can you tell me 79 is closer to what, Jake? Which number?
8. 8.
Rounding of figure. Tell me. Is it 80 or 70? 80. Good.
80.
Yeah. Children, it will be confusing. Only when you work out, you will know. Good, good. Underline the ones place number. Now, Johannes Thomas, tell me 28. Underline 8. 28. Underline 8.
Ma'am, I'm gonna see my internet was lost.
Join Sri, please join Sri. Don't disturb in between, ma. Let other children. You are always talking in between the class. Johannes Thomas, somebody should control her, please. Johan, please tell me 28. Rounding off. Round off 28 to the next number. Judah. Judah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next number. Which one I have to write? Is it 20 or 30? 20 or 30?
20.
No. No, Judah. If it is 5, set one's place number, underline 8. If it is 5 and above, 5, 6, 7, 8, you have to write next number, 30. Don't worry, you can learn slowly. Now, I don't want anybody to complain about others, okay? Now, next number is 37. Kevin, tell me, Kevin, 37. Kevin, tell me 37. Round off 37 and tell me the number. Kevin, 40. Very good.
40.
Not 30.
40, ma'am.
30 means it should be ones place number should be 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 7. 5 and above. So you have to write the next number, 40. You just observe all the numbers. Now 94. 94. I want Ritik Pranav to tell me round of 94 and tell. Round of tell me 94. Yeah, very
90,
good.
ma'am.
Very good because it's below 4. Next one, 49. I want. Oh, Mitra, you didn't tell. Mitra, did you tell me? I just called you. Mitra, you didn't get a chance when I called you. Somebody else. Mitra, please tell. Please.
Ma'am,
you
didn't call my name. Got chance, ma'am.
You got. Okay, very good. Now I'm not going to call anybody who's disturbing me. Artrika, please tell me 49. Underline 9. Tell me the round of figure for 9, 49. Is it 40 or 50? It's above 5. 45 and above. Tell me, Artrika, fast.
40.
No, please. It is 50 because 45 upwards, you have to write 50. 45 upwards, you have to write 50. Now see the first number. If 64, below 64, you have to write 60. Above 85, you have to write 90. When you work out in the classwork, you will know. 1 minute, children. Yes, it's already time. Juansri, 1 minute. Don't smile. In between, you must not talk, Juansri, please. You have to be attentive in class. Okay. Okay, good children. You can leave the, okay, nothing. I'm not scolding you. In between, you don't talk, that continuity will go. Don't worry about this. We will do it again in classwork note, then you will understand. But go through the sums. Leave the class and get ready for EVS class. No need to say thank you, please. Leave the class fast. I don't want anybody to talk to me or disturb the class. Please leave the classroom fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
And get ready.
Bye, ma'am.
See this? I told
Thank
you not
you,
to
ma'am.
play.
Bye, ma'am.
Pratika,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, because of one child, all are telling, please leave the classroom. Go for a break. Hurry up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.